How to crop image to shape in Canva. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva on your device. Here, upload your image. After you've uploaded your image, click on Elements on the left side. After you click on Elements on the left side, scroll down in Categories and search for Frames. After you find Frames, click on it. In Frame, select the shape you want your picture to be. After you've selected the shapes, it will be added in your page. After it's added in your page, in this way, simply drag your image to that shape. After you've dragged your image to that shape, it will crop that image into that shape, and you can resize it and move where you want it to be. This is how to crop image to shape in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.